Greetings, everyone. Welcome to Professor J. Elmer Bouquot's session at International Oral Diseases Case Presentation Conference 2025. Professor Bouquot is a legendary figure whose influence on oral and maxillofacial pathology spans over 5 decades. A distinguished educator, researcher, and leader, Dr. Bouquot has made unparalleled contributions that have shaped the future of oral pathology and diagnosis globally. He has delivered more than 1,800 lectures across all 50 states of the US and in 31 countries, sharing his expertise and igniting passion for oral pathology among countless students, clinicians, and researchers. With over 480 scientific publications to his credit, he ranks among the top 1.2% of the most cited researchers worldwide, reflecting the profound and enduring impact of his work. Dr. Bouquot served as chair of oral pathology at both West Virginia University and the University of Texas, Houston, where he nurtured generations of pathologists with his visionary leadership and commitment to academic excellence. His dedication extended beyond academia, having held multiple prestigious presidential positions in major oral pathology and cancer organizations. His groundbreaking research in bone pathology, public health, and oral diagnosis has earned him global recognition and numerous honors. Renowned for his mentorship, Professor Bouquot has guided thousands of budding professionals, inspiring them to pursue excellence in clinical practice, research, and education. His contributions to the understanding of oral diseases, especially in the realms of rare bone conditions and diagnostic oral pathology, remain foundational references today. Through his relentless pursuit of knowledge, leadership in advancing the profession, and profound mentorship, Professor J. Elmer Bouquot's legacy continues to inspire generations worldwide. His life's work stands as a testament to dedication, innovation, and service to humanity. It is with deep admiration that we honor him as a true pioneer and an enduring inspiration to all at the International Oral Diseases Case Presentation Conference 2025. Thank you so much.